Everyone, welcome to my new vlog. So today's vlog is about how I manifested dreaming my car and how I bought a car. So this is the car I manifested for. So I dreamt in such a way that I visualized in such a way that the car has to be kept here. It has to be parked here, and it has to be a this red car, and I felt it that it has to be bought by giving a date and then the month and then the year. So in that way, if you do it, then it should be able to, and you should also visualize in such a way that you are dreaming the car and in this particular narrow roads and all that. So you should be able to drive it, and so it's like I didn't do that every day and all. So it was just it could be just 2 or 3 days I did that, and I was able to get my car. So this is the car I would show you, and this is my WagonR. I will also show you my car. So I always keep some biscuits because we don't know in this traffic. We have to definitely be careful, and that is how I thought that the car has to be, because there was this manifestation video of mine where I am driving and all that, and so in such a way that there is a squirrel also here, which is coming here. There is a squirrel there, and so what happened is, so you just have to do it once or twice and then leave it off, so it should happen automatically. And so you have to just dream which color car, which car. So I always wanted a WagonR because my sons are tall and my husband is tall, so they should be able to fit in inside the car. And so I should be driving and my husband has to sit next to me and my sons behind me, so in such a way that I was able to dream and also visualize that you are driving next to your road or whatever, so in such a way that it should happen. So I think in that way, if you do it, then I think you should be able to achieve whatever you want. If it is especially the physical objects and all that, dream it with the color of the car and the brand and all that, you should be able to do it. So hope you like my video for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.